Why are there not more people talking about these cities? This is going to blow your mind. Looking to relocate and upgrade your lifestyle in 2025? We've got you covered. Let's dive into the best cities that are calling your name. First up, Singapore. Known for its ultra-modern infrastructure and green spaces, Singapore ranks high in quality of life, safety, and public transport. Imagine living in a city that's a tech hub and a tropical paradise all rolled into one. Next, Copenhagen, Denmark. This city is the epitome of sustainability and innovation. With its bike-friendly streets, world-class healthcare, and emphasis on work-life balance, Copenhagen is perfect for young professionals aiming for a healthy, active lifestyle. Ever thought about moving to Toronto, Canada? Toronto boasts a multicultural vibe, thriving job market, and top-notch education system. Plus, it's a foodie heaven with endless dining options. And then there's Lisbon, Portugal. With its affordable cost of living, stunning coastal views, and vibrant culture, Lisbon is a hidden gem that's quickly gaining popularity. It's a city where you can enjoy both a relaxed lifestyle and entrepreneurial opportunities. Finally, check out Melbourne, Australia. Known for its artsy atmosphere, beautiful parks, and excellent public transport, Melbourne is ideal for those who love a mix of city life and outdoor adventures. So, there you have it. These cities aren't just places to live, they're places to thrive. Which one will you choose? Start planning your move now and make 2025 your best year yet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.